This is not normal breathing, and don't miss the sign.
The intervals between breaths get increasingly longer. Start CPR immediately as if the person was not breathing.
That can be a sign for cardiac arrest. And knowing the difference between gasping for air and normal breathing can save a life. My name is Kristen. I've been a respiratory therapist for 8 years and a CPR instructor for 3. Let me help you get your family prepared for an emergency. Everyone should know CPR. So what you need to do is click the link for the class request form in the bio, and let's talk about getting a class scheduled for you and your family. Let's be prepared. Let's be ready.